Hi, boys and girls. This is your Science Unit 3 assessment. Please drag the red circle or circles to your correct answer choices. Some of the problems have more than one answer. So if you see two circles, then you know that you need to circle two answer choices. Number 1, when can you see an object? Choose all correct answers. So there's two answers. When can you see an object? A, when it is dark. B, when the object gives off light. Or C, when light shines on the object. When can you see an object? Choose two answers. A, when it is dark. B, when the object gives off light. C, when light shines on the object. Drag the circle to your answer choices. Number 2, how could you test if an object gives off its own light? How could you test if an object gives off its own light? A, put it under a lamp. B, try to see it in the dark. Or C, shine a flashlight on it. How could you test to see if an object gives off its own light? A, put it under a lamp. B, try to see it in the dark. Or C, shine a flashlight on it. Drag the circle to one answer. Number 3, which objects give off their own light? Choose all correct answers. Which objects give off their own light? A, the sun. B, glow sticks. Miss Smith messed up making it, so I'm going to give you this one. Both A and B are correct. Just circle both A and B. Number 4, you can see a few objects in this living room. Why? How come you can see the objects in this living room? A, there are many lamps in the room. B, there are no lamps in the room. Or C, there is one lamp in the room. Drag the red circle to your answer choice. Number 5, the campers see the fire. Why? Why can they see the fire? A, a light shines on the fire. B, the space around the fire is dark. Or C, the fire is giving off light. Why can the campers see the fire? A, light shines on the fire. B, the space around the fire is dark. Or C, the fire gives off light. Circle your answer. Slide 3. Number 1, which cup allows the most light to pass through? Circle the cup. Circle the cup that would allow the most light to pass through it. Number 2, how much light passes through each object? Match the object to the words that describe it. So you click on the word and you drag it to the object that it describes. Box 1, no light passes through. Drag this to the object where no light would pass through. All light passes through. Move this to the object where all light would pass through. Some light passes through. Move this over the object where some light would pass through. Slide 4, number 3. Eli thinks that all objects block all light. How can he test his idea? Eli thinks that all objects block all light. How can he test this? A, he can make a shadow on a wall. B, he can move a light closer to an object. Or C, he can shine light on different objects. How can Eli test that all objects block all light? A, he can make a shadow on a wall. B, he can move a light closer to an object. Or C, he can shine light on different objects. And number 4, where is the shadow in this picture? Circle it to show your answer. So circle the shadow. Is this the shadow? Is this? Find this shadow and drag the big circle to it. Once you have completed slides 1, 2, 3, and 4, please turn it in for your science grade.